Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus Exynos. Okay, to unlock the bootloader, first we need to be connected to the Wi-Fi, so go into settings, connections, and then make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Then go back, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, software information, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back into the main page of the settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on developer options. And here we have OEM unlocking feature. We need to turn it on and click on enable. Our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet, right now I highly recommend to create a backup of the data, because remember that if you unlock your bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and you will lose everything. So that is why it's good to have the backup. Okay, now we need to power off the device, so hold power key and volume down for around 1 second until power menu appears. Let me grab it comfortably. Okay, and click on power off. Now we need to have a USB-C cable that is also connected into our PC, laptop or Mac, up to you. And now we need to hold both volume keys and now insert the cable and keep holding volume buttons until you see a menu. Here it is, and now we need to hold volume up and now click on volume up to unlock the bootloader. Okay, now we can unplug the cable, and now we need to wait until our phone turns on. We also have to go through the setup process real quick, and we will verify everything in the settings, so we have to wait now until the phone turns on. Okay, the phone has turned on, so we need to click on start, select your language and click on next. Click that you agree, click on next. I'm about to skip the Wi-Fi, so the setup process will be much faster. So that is why I'm not connecting. Same thing with the screen lock. Also the Samsung account. Click on agree, select your display, click on finish. And now let's verify everything in the settings. So first we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Select available network and type the password. Hit the connect button. Now we can go back all the way down, about phone, software information, tap on the build number, scroll down, developer options, and it needs to look exactly like that. So OEM unlocking feature is enabled, and it says down below bootloader already unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.